All right, there it is. All right, let's go. Hi. We're working on this old house here for a relative. They had these. This is an old farmhouse built in 1895. And see, there's no fascia board on here. There's no board right here to nail the gutters to. And you know, this is a dorm here, but the whole house is like this. There's no fascia board here. So the gutters hung from these metal straps. You getting that metal strap there? The gutters hung from these metal straps. They were suspended. So since we're getting the roof redone, you know, I told them we should put some fascia board on here. So it's a little bit of work, but that's what we're doing. So this is the before part. See the roof, we're working on the overhang over here. The tree fell out of the, or limb fell out of the tree rather, and hit the house. So, you know, we're just getting a whole new roof put on. So, all right, that's the before. Let's go down the ladder now. We'll do the during. You don't have to have it. Just let it hang around. Just let it hang around. Okay, so this is the during. So we took back, there was, you know, like some 1x12 on here, so we tore that off. You can see the wood shake shingle still on here, and 2 layers of asphalt shingle. So wood shake, asphalt, asphalt. So we tore all that back. I nailed in these blocks here to give us some support, and so we'll have a flat surface here to put the fascia board on. And then I went to John's Lumber actually, and I got this, what is called a continuous soffit vent, okay, and then soffit, 3/8 soffit material. Get a shot from underneath here. That's way too close. So here's what it looks like on the outside. So we're going to put fascia board on here. And I'm actually going to use 2x6. Normally you use 1x6, but I'm going to use 2x6. And we actually angled the top of the 2x6 too, because this is such a steep roof that you have to hang it down so far that it just gets ridiculous. You end up with nothing hardly to nail to. So I cut the top off. I beveled the top so it blends in with this. So it works out nicer. You know, we had to block it out all over. There's supports here. This one block of wood here split on me, so I put a piece of OSB on it, and I put some liquid nail on it, and I nailed it about 30 times with the brad nail gun, with the brad gun. So that'll be fine. You won't be able to knock that off of there anytime soon. All right, so let's go show them the after now. Come on up here. So get a shot under here. All this. So this is what it looks like when it's done. And here's the fascia board on. Come up here. Get up here. You can just let the camera hang around your neck. So here's the OSB nailed on. Here's the fascia board. We got it hanging over here about a ½ inch. Is that too close? So that's it. That's the finished product. And then underneath here, like I said, we got the continuous soffit vent. So between each one of those rafter joists, air can go up between every single one of those joists. That's why I like the continuous soffit vent. It's air flows up between every single joist instead of just having a little 9x6 vent here and there or whatever. I think this is a lot better. So get a shot of this right here. So that's how much thicker right there that the old roof is. There's 2 asphalt and 1 wood shake on there. So the new roof is going to go right on this, and it's going to be a lot lighter. We're going to use a nice dimensional GAF shingle. I like that Timberline series. I think it's called weathered wood. It's a real nice shingle. I think it's got a 40-year warranty on it. So it's, good shingles, good venting. We're hiring the roof out, so hopefully it's a good install. He's supposed to be a pretty good guy, so this roof should last a long time. That's it.